Alright everyone, so around this time last winter, I created a YouTube video called Raw Reality of Making $500,000 per month. And the video went a little bit viral. I think it got more than 300,000 views, which is quite good for my channel.
First of all, last year the video was about $500,000 a month. And this year, this video is about raw reality of making $700,000 per month. These numbers are too big for my audience who have a 9-to-5 day job and they make something around $60,000 to $100,000 per year. So the numbers are a little bit way over the head. Plus 300,000 views. Views are like meh for my audience because you don't care about views. You don't care about videos. You don't care about social media and showing face. You care about making money yesterday. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to use the advice offered in this video, how to use AI like Claude, Grok, ChatGPT, QuenChat, and DeepSeek, and make real money online. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts, then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help. And you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. But there is a tiny little problem. These views are actually directly correlated with this income. So before we begin, let me show you the relationship. This is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and this column shows the affiliate commissions earned by my affiliates. These are the affiliates. I had to hide their names for privacy. You can see the numbers are pretty good. One made $74,000, another made $44,000, another made $4,000, $3,000, $1,000, $2,000, so on and so forth. And here is another account. This is a pretty big account with tons of big results from a lot of affiliates. Like one of the affiliates made $476,000 in affiliate commissions. Another one made $215,000, $97,000, $124,000, and so forth. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is that both this small account and the big account have one thing in common. All the money these affiliates made came from sales. These are the number of sales. And the sales came from hubs, or consider them as real people. When our affiliates referred real people to our products, our digital products, some of these people found our products useful. They bought it, and when they purchased, our affiliates earned a percentage of sales. In fact, 50% of sales revenue as affiliate commission. And same thing happened here as well. Real people brought in real commissions. Now, the reason I showed you the smaller account is because these affiliates are the beginner members of our 99% Done For You program. Some of them have a 9-to-5 day job, busy parent, busy wife and parent, run their own businesses, or students. If you are interested to know about our 99% Done For You program, you can watch this free training from the link in the description. After watching, if you have questions, you can ask this AI chat agent any questions, or DM me on Instagram or Facebook Messenger to get any questions answered. When we upload content like this video in social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, they send us views. These views are real people. Inside our videos, we add valuable content, build relationship, rapport, and trust with them. And then some of them check our offer or product and decide to buy, and that's how we make money. But hey, this $500,000 a month is not my results. I did not make $500,000 a month in my life, but I made up to $300,000 a month. So I was curious and watched this full video, and honestly, I loved it. The only problem is this video is full of his own story. It's not really a step-by-step video that you can follow as a beginner and get any kind of results. So I analyzed the video for you using my ChatGPT AI agent. One of the advices I like the most is step 3. Stop talking, start doing. A lot of people talk about getting rich, but never actually do anything. Talking about your dreams tricks your brain into feeling like you already accomplished something. Don't fall for it. So set a no excuse rule and just do it. Keep your goals private. Don't share with people who won't believe in your goals, in your values. Write your goals down daily. Now, these are really vague and motivational advice that we don't need right now. What we want is step by step. So from this video, ChatGPT derived this table. Look at this. This column gives you a list of side hustles that you can start. But there are tons of side hustles like this. Which one should you start with? That's why there are two other columns. How much beginner friendly is it? And what is the potential of earning $100 per day? And of course, every business has a maintenance cost. How hard is it in terms of maintenance? And here is what I found as a summary. The easiest start would be freelancing because you can sell a skill that you already have. What if you don't have a skill? And what if you don't have time? Because you have a 9-to-5 day job. So the maximum time you have is 2 to 3 hours per day. Although it is possible to use 2 to 3 hours per day to become expert at something, but who has time and patience for that? So the most passive income would be digital products and affiliate marketing. Here is a shameless plug that my 99% done for you program, from which these beginner members are earning this kind of affiliate commissions, is all about digital marketing and affiliate marketing, but completely using AI, automation, and done for you. Okay, the shameless plug is out. We are back to the video. In case you want to build a long-term business, then YouTube and AI services would be great. So what do I recommend? I recommend you start freelancing. I will show you how right now in this video. Keep watching. And then at the same time, I want you to start a digital product and affiliate marketing. I will show you how to make a digital product in this video that you can copy and build right now. And finally, I will show you what we do to make YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, social media our money-making machine. I love Claude for its amazing writing ability. So start a new chat. First, instead of giving instruction, I like to ask questions. If I want to convert a YouTube video script into a book using Claude AI, what are the steps? Let Claude tell you what steps you should take in order to use Claude to make an amazing book from another person's video. Okay, I got a lot of steps. I don't have time to read. So I said, I have the transcript. Can you guide me step by step? Or maybe ask me questions and give advice to get it done? Oh yeah, I would be happy to guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin transforming your transcript into book. So initial assessment. Wow, that's again a lot of questions. So I'm confused with a lot of questions at a time. Can you go one by one? Absolutely. So what is the main topic of your YouTube video? I will answer. Can I just drop the video transcript for you to collect all the answers for your questions? Yes, absolutely. Share the transcript. And here we go. Boom. Right. Now it's awesome. Wow, look at this. The whole transcript has turned into your book chapters. Now, guys, you must be confused. What am I doing right now? I am showing you how you can start freelancing. By using AI the right way, you can literally write anything. You can write a book, article, video transcript, stories, work as a ghostwriter. And at the same time, while creating a book, I am making a digital product for you. Okay, here is what Claude did for you. Step number 1, clean up the transcript. It removed all the timestamps and unnecessary things. Step number 2, identify key themes and structures. Step 3, create the book outline, which is on the right-hand side. And step number 4, expand the content. Here is something interesting. You will need to write proper introduction that sets up the book's purpose, your background, and what readers will gain. I want to mention that purpose of the book: build rapport, authority, and trust among my readers, and a hidden purpose: convince them to invest in my mentorship plus 99% done for you AI digital marketing program. I will add an important note that I don't want to be salesy. I don't want the book too much promotional. Instead, I want to overwhelm them with valuable information in 6th graders language and make it a fun read, and basically show them that it's a lot of work to try and do all alone. It's better, easier, and faster to invest in my mentorship plus 99% done for you AI digital marketing program if they want to get results. And I will upload one of my webinar transcript to take value, credentials, my students' results, and I'll write, take all the information you need from the webinar transcript attached here and rewrite the chapters if you need. Also let me know if you need anything else. Hit enter and let Claude do the magic. Now Claude is reworking, restructuring, and rewriting the whole framework, and now rewriting the book chapters. From this chapter 5, I can see Claude took a perfect example that I used in my webinar, and everybody who watched the webinar loved it. The automated money machine, free traffic secrets that actually work, the tap system. Wow, it is a matter of seconds that AI analyzed the whole 1-hour webinar and turned this into a book. My goodness, subhanallah. And it already started writing chapter 1 without even me asking to do it. Wow, subhanallah, look at this. This is great. It just keeps writing. It's a sample chapter. Can you imagine that? And it's chapter 5. I can't believe what's going on here. I love this, the mathematics of mentorship. I have never thought about it this way. The perfect balance, the 99 by 1 principle. Now there is a book implementation guide. Now here is a problem with Claude. Claude hit the maximum length for a message and has paused its response. So I have to type continue to make it continue. Now Claude is not stopping. It's even telling you the publishing and distribution strategy. One of the ways is Amazon KDP, direct sales through your website, an audiobook version. Now I'm going to review the chapter 1. It's pretty long and I love it. And chapter 5 and decide whether I need any change or not. And then I will ask Claude, write a complete prompt so I can use it over and over to write a book on any topic at any time in this process. Wow, now I have a prompt. I will also ask, what should I do when Claude stops generating due to text amount constraints, and ask me to start another chat window to complete my task. These are important because the book is going to be big. So Claude may stop working anytime and may ask me to start another window. That will be a mess. So the best approaches is use the continue command. Now Claude gave me 5 best approaches. One of them is to just use continue command and have Claude typing. Save the completed sections in a document, maybe a Google Doc. And here is the important one. Use the comprehensive prompt with updates. Now I have a complete prompt, right? To write any book, anytime, on any topic, any niche. I can just use that and provide what's already done and say, continue, next. Okay, now you must be waiting for money. Mosh, where is the money? You didn't show me money yet. Here is the money, my friend. Last August, I hired this person to turn one of my webinars into a book. We could have used AI to write the book ourselves. In fact, we did that. But after that, we hired this person to improve it. So it's more human and more accepting for human readers. And people loved it. That little $200 investment that I made, wait, what? This person made $200 just for reviewing my book. That's exactly a real example. What you can earn as a freelancer from a serious client. And if you go search with just book, you will find tons of people making tons of money. This person made $30,000 as a Kindle book publisher, book formatting, book cover freelancer. This person made $90,000 as Amazon Kindle direct publishing expert. Another one right here made $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, $7,000, $50,000. You got the point, right? Currently, we're selling a book with complete funnel. We got 21 book sales. We spent $440 so far, and we made over $1,000. Now, did you notice what I have just done? I have recorded my journey of doing research, using AI, and writing a book, showed you results of our students who are making money from our 99% done for you program. And I even passed this information to you that there is a link in the description that you can click and go to this training and learn about our 99% done for you program. And all these are done in one single video. So I have just taken the best long-term step as well using YouTube and of course other social media. Was the video helpful? What is stopping you from hitting the like button? And if it is good, then why are you not sharing with your friends and family? Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button because that's the only way you can get notification from YouTube when we will upload our next video. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.